Alright, y'all, I'm at Home Depot. Let me show you a trick. We're in Home Depot, and for your convenience, they have 2 foot by 4 foot, 3/4 inch MDF pieces of wood already cut. But each one of those costs $15.97. Now, one 4 foot by 8 foot sheet is $32, $31.95, right? And I can actually get 4 2x4s out of this one sheet. So why would I pay 4 for 4 individual sheets? And it's gonna end up being over $60 when I can just buy this one sheet and have them cut it for me. Yeah, because they cut wood here at Home Depot for free. So I'm just gonna buy this sheet, have them cut it in 4 2x4s, and then when I ring it up, I ring up the one UPC on the side. It's gonna ring up $31.95 and say they cut it for me because they did, and then I can put it in my trunk of my Camry. So I'm about to save $32 and get the exact same amount of wood. Yep, got them boys cut up. So why do I need to cut up? Well, first of all, I do have a table saw at the house, but for one, it is a portable table saw. It's real good, it's a Delta, but I can't maneuver that big old sheet at the house by myself. Also, I'm at the house by myself, so I don't have I don't got like a shop or anything like that, or a big feed table, so that's why I had to go ahead and get those things cut up. But it's easier for me to manage on my table saw.